Hey, it's Katie with WTI. As a fiber artist, I just love all things with texture. So when I found this iPad case that was actually made from jute canvas, I knew that I had to have it. So I was so happy when it arrived and that I could actually feel the difference and see the weave in it. I really love this black and white and gray gradient splicing. It is nice and crisp. This case fits my iPad perfectly. And even though the outside is this jute canvas, it does still have the hard case and the PU leather on the inside. I have dropped my iPad many times and it is still intact and it has held up really well. I use my iPad every single day. I put it in a bag, take it out of a bag constantly, and it still looks brand new, even though I have had it for months. So if you're looking for a nice, fresh looking iPad case, something that's different from what everyone else has, then check out this one by DMaos. And that's my point of view.